Hello, welcome to the Crazy Food Lady. I am going to be making Thai sweet rice with mangoes, also known as sticky rice. And it's really a nice dessert, and it's going to be part of our wrap up for Chinese New Year food stuff that we're making. To make sticky rice, you need sushi rice, also known as sweet rice. It's a little fatter grain, and we're not just going to rinse it and pop it into the rice cooker. This has to be soaked and then steamed, so it takes a while, but it's actually not that hard to make. And then we also need coconut milk, not coconut water. This is the milk. I've used the fat-free kind by accident because someone got it for me at one point when they were shopping, and it works. It's just not as good. And it needs sugar as well. And then, you know, the mango is optional, but in our household, mango is not optional because it's mango. So we're actually going to use frozen mango that we're going to thaw. I've put the rice into the steamer. It's balanced on top of this pot, and it's supposed to steam for about 45 minutes. So every 15 minutes, I will open it up and sprinkle a little water on, and then let it go for another 15 minutes. So when the rice is done on this next go, it needs to sit for 10 minutes, and then it gets added to the coconut milk and sugar. So I'm going to start preparing that now, just so that it's ready. I probably won't start cooking it until closer to the rice being done. You can have sticky rice, sweetened sticky rice plain. You can put other fruit with it. You can serve it with mangoes on the side, or you can just dump the mangoes in and mix it up. If you chill this, it is super refreshing for the summer. It's like better than ice cream, and I love ice cream. So there we go. That might be enough mango.